Hello, and thank you for watching the Kempler Design Vlog. If we've had a Zoom meeting, you've seen me in this environment before. But today, we're going to talk about the new motorization automation system from Hunter Douglas. It's not changed in name, it's still called PowerView. But the thing that's changed is that the traditional 12 AA battery pack that they have used for a number of years now is still doable. It is the standard way of doing it. It has a little plug-in right here so that you can just plug it into the various motor systems that go into it. Very simple, but there are some differences now in that they have a new rechargeable lithium-ion battery system, and this is what it looks like. So as you can see, it is a little different in shape. Still has that same plug-in so that all the motors plug directly into this for power. But here's the difference. First of all, it has a mounting unit that comes with it. It's not mounted, so it makes it harder to do because there's a magnet here. Watch as I snap it together. See how it just snaps and holds. So it'll hang upside down, no problem based on that. So what you have here is a couple of holes, one here, and it enables you to screw through that. And of course, we do the installations ourselves, but it mounts up at a location wherever you want it around a window. For example, you could put it right here. Not that you would, because that's not attractive. But this mounts first, and then the battery, let's see if I can show you this. See how it has this little hole in here? That goes in first, and then it just snaps together, and it holds really nicely. But there are some factors that you need to know about. First of all, how do you recharge it? Now with the standard battery pack, you just pull the end off, dump your batteries gently, put the new ones in the same direction, put it back in, and in most cases snap it up or put it in the satellite battery pack, which is actually similar to this. Now the lithium-ion rechargeable battery can be mounted behind the shade. But in a lot of cases, you have to keep this in mind. Look at this, see the thickness of that? And now look at that. It's not the same depth. And I brought a tape measure here to take a look. The standard battery pack has a depth of approximately 5/8 of an inch. 5/8 of an inch thick. The new system has a thickness of 15/16. So almost 1 full inch. So it's talking 3/8. Now, why is that relevant to you? Because if you're taking a shade and now you go to this side, and now this is a manual shade, but for the sake of discussion, normally the battery pack sits here. So 3/8 of a difference when this is mounted inside a window means that the front can be projecting into the room more the further out you have to push it, because this is obviously a little thicker than the original one. So that is a factor. The other thing to consider is this. You're used to, with the old battery system, the existing but older, you just change those batteries out. You pull it down, reload it. With this one, you'll notice that you can recharge it. There's a couple ways you can do it. They have a 14.4 transformer, that's voltage, because that's what is in this system here. And this plug right there plugs into, just show you this, this battery right here. See that little hole? So that just plugs in just like that, and it charges. But there are other options as to how you can do it. Keep in mind that, let's say this is mounted up to the top, you have to be able to access this. So it has to be mounted in such a way that the charger with this long cord, it's pretty long, you can always use an extension cord if you need to, has to plug in there. So that is a factor. It's kind of firm, which is good. It'll hold. Another way that you can do it is you can get this system. This is the dual charger. It sits flat like this. And inside, it has a couple, if you look carefully, a couple of prongs on each one, there and there, that the bottom of this battery, you can see it right there. You see these two little metal pieces? That connects with those. So the way that you do it here, same thing. You just, it would be laying flat, of course, but you just insert it, and then don't just let it sit there. Push down. Did you hear that snap? That's because it's now connected to the chargers. Now, a lot of people will take this, and they'll have a couple of these extra batteries and one of these sitting somewhere in their house, so that if the batteries get low, they just take one out, take the old one down, put it in the charger, and put this one back in the existing one, and there you go. But keep in mind this, lithium-ion batteries are very different than the old battery pack ones. Why? If you have any lithium-ion tools in your house, maybe a drill or a driver or something like that, you ever notice you're using it, and all of a sudden it just stops? Whereas if you had the old traditional alkaline batteries, what happens? It just gets lower and lower. It's like, right? So lithium-ion batteries don't do that. They just stop. So some people feel like, oh no, my system isn't working. That's not the case. The battery just died. It goes hard, 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 stop. So it's nice sometimes to have a spare battery so that you can just put it in where the one isn't working. Remember, it's plug and play, so if you get stuck and it doesn't work, you can hang on to your old battery packs and just plug it right in, so that way that shade will work while the new one's recharging. The charge time, I usually tell people like 2-3 hours, but the lighting on here will tell you when it is completed. Overnight works for some people. That may change over time. It's a relatively new system. It just released about a month or so ago. But that is the general overview of the new lithium-ion rechargeable batteries in the PowerView system by Hunter Douglas. And I really hope that this information was helpful to you. And thank you again for watching the Kempler Design vlog.